Okay, this is gonna get deep, and this kind of really made me think about things. And I literally had to write up a Google Doc just for this question, but look, if you have time, I think it's worth the watch. Anyways, Phil wrote this post the other day, and he said, "How do you deal with self-doubt? 2 days ago, I thought my video would flop again. I had a shit ton of bills on my table. Money is tight. Channel is not growing as fast as I wish for it to do. ... How do you guys deal with that? I kind of got over it, and now I'm eager again. But I am scared of that this feeling will tear me apart one day and cause me to quit." Keyword, cause me to quit. "I really want the life that YouTube can give for you." Keyword, I really want the life that YouTube can give for you. And I wrote some stuff in this Google Doc, and I'm going to show you in a second. But at the same time, I am so scared to fail and let my mom down, who's still working as of today, or however you meant to word this. I don't want to get deep. We all got baggage, our baggage, but ... How the hell can I use this pressure as fuel? And this made me really think about things. And I actually had to re-record this video because I didn't get my point out correctly. And I really want you guys to understand this. Whoever is feeling like this, I really want you to understand this, something that I'm going to talk about in a second. But I was reading the comments, and first of all, like, the community members within Winners Club is amazing. Like, you guys genuinely care about Phil and everyone else, so that's awesome to see. But Simone said something super interesting, and I would 100% listen to this advice. First of all, he says, find a job. If you have a reliable source of income, you don't worry about bills. 100% agree with that. You will have to work double time to be able to make your channel work, but success is about sacrifice. That is another extremely looked over sentence, and no one really likes to think about this. I mean, success takes sacrifice. Success takes hours and hours and hours and hours and hours of work. It takes overtime. Nothing comes easy, especially YouTube, especially making a business online and making money and having that replace your job. Think about how many people do that. It's like less than 5%, less than 1% of businesses succeed. It's fucking hard. And I'm not trying to get on a rant here, and this video is going to be very much a rant. But one thing that I feel like everyone needs to understand, Phil, anyone listening to this, anyone that seems like or feels like they're in this situation, feeling like they want to quit or give up or scared to fail, etc. One thing that you need to understand is that people in today's generation specifically, I can't speak on the older generation because like I don't have experience in that, but I have experience in today's generation. Today's generation feels like they are obligated to get a desired result just because they put in work. And I'm going to talk about this. I wrote up a little Google Doc here, and first of all, nothing is deserved, only earned. Like, you can put in 12 hours a day making YouTube videos, but if you're not getting better, then you're not going to deserve money. You're not going to make money in general. Like, think about athletes, for example, right? Think about basketball players. Like, do you think that some random pro basketball player in like Wisconsin that plays for, I don't know, like his university team or something gets paid as much as Kobe Bryant, or gets paid as much as LeBron James? Or think about like boxers, for example. Do you think that the guy that's, 3 wins and 40 losses is getting paid as much as Floyd Mayweather, that's 50-0? People get paid on results. People get paid on their performance. You don't get paid just because you're doing something continuously. So that's one thing that I really want anyone that's feeling like they're in this situation to understand. If you're not getting better, and if you're not continuously learning and getting just better at everything, then you're not going to get paid as the people that send fucking screenshots of their Stripe account seeing like 10K in a day or like 100K in a month or 10K per month. The people who make anything over like 5K per month are getting paid on performance. They're not getting paid on work ethic, right? Work ethic is the result of performance, or performance is the result of work ethic when you put work ethic in the right areas. So that's why I say, get better skills. And I talk about these high value skills right here. And I think these are like the main 3 pillars, but I'll talk about this in a second. Get better skills. Learn more about your skills. You're never done learning. You're never done learning and implementing, and that's one thing that really helped me get from, feeling like in your situation. I mean, when I was working a job, bro, I was an ice cream worker. I was an ice cream man. I was a shopping cart pusher. I was getting fucking paid nothing, getting paid peanuts. But I've been putting in 8-hour days, 10-hour days, etc. But you don't get paid for your work ethic. You get paid for your performance and your skills, right? I was feeling like your exact situation, but the way that I got out of that was getting better skills. I mean, if you think about it, what's a better skill? Pushing shopping carts or fucking copywriting? Like, for example, there's obviously a big jump in these two skills. One's physical and one's mental. Anyways, I'm going on a tangent, but get better skills, continuously learn. And remember that nothing is deserved, only earned. Dude, the boxing example is so good. If someone is 3 wins and 49 losses, they're getting paid $1,000 to fight some prospect. Floyd Money Mayweather, Olympic champion. Olympic silver medalist. Fucking multiple time world champion, multiple weight world champion. In the gym, 24/7, constantly learning. Do you think he's gonna get paid as much as the guy with 3 wins and 80 losses? No. He's getting paid millions because he's good at what he does, and he provides some sort of value, and the value is entertainment. He gets people entertained. That's why he's making a shit ton of money. So think about that. Think about that the next time you make a video. Am I actually improving? Am I doing something better? Etc. And last but not least, I would say getting a job is the best thing to do for yourself. You're getting rid of that stress. Obviously, you're gonna hate you're gonna hate it probably. You might like it. I don't know. It depends on what you do. And you're obviously gonna have less time for YouTube, but it's necessary. It's a necessary pain. I'm not gonna call it a necessary evil, because working a job really isn't evil. It's plain hard work, right? So yes, get a job, get better skills, continuously learn, and remember that nothing is deserved and only earned. Now, before I get into high value skills, I want to tell you this. YouTube is not a method. It is simply a marketing engine to promote your product or service. If you go on YouTube right now and let's say, for example, you search up Amplify Views. He's in the YouTube growth niche, right? He is providing a product and service. Partner with me. It's a service. YouTube strategy. He has a school. It's free. He's providing a product and a service. He's using YouTube as the marketing engine to make money. Same thing with my channel. Same thing with Toby's channel. Same thing with everyone's channel. Same thing with look at any channel. They have a link in their description. Max Torno, by the way, really, really good channel. If you go to one of his videos, he is providing a service. YouTube is just a marketing engine to promote your product and service. I can't say that enough. YouTube is not a method, and obviously you guys know this, but I'm just I'm putting it in your head. It's a marketing engine. It's a way to get eyes on your stuff, and also it's a way to find like-minded people. It's a way to build a community. It's a way to connect. That's it. That's what YouTube is. It's not a method. It's not your get-rich-quick scheme. YouTube, use it as a tool. That's what it is. It is a tool. You can either use it to entertain yourself, or you can use it as a tool to make you more money, to stop stressing about bills, to stop stressing about this, you know what I mean? Get time freedom, time location, etc. Location freedom. I cannot speak right now. But that's what I mean. YouTube is literally just a marketing engine. Now, what I want to get into is high value skills. If you don't have these, or if you're, kind of mediocre at these, then just get better at these. These are action steps that you can use. These are the best skills I think that you can learn personally. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe there's something better that you can learn. But persuasive writing and speaking. I'm going to add that to speaking. Persuasive writing and speaking is never going to go anywhere. I mean, you have to be persuasive, and that kind of goes into sales. You have to be good at writing. You have to be good at speaking. If you're not good at speaking, you can't teach someone. If you can't teach someone, you won't make money. If you won't make money, then you're stressing about bills. It all goes down to that. So persuasive writing and speaking is literally the first thing you can do. You can start writing something right now. You can start learning something and then implementing it right now. That is a high value skill that, in my opinion, is not going to go away for a long time. Might go away one day because of AI, but who knows? You know what I mean? That's the future. Right now, it is not going anywhere. Number 2 is sales. Convincing someone to buy your thing over the phone. Super looked over. Maybe, yeah, it's kind of looked over, yeah. Like, selling shit on the phone, getting someone to persuading someone to buy your service and product, and to tell them that, look, like, I can help you, here's how, and if you can do it in a persuasive way, that's going to make you money. That's a high value skill. And not even just in making money, but just in general, talking to people in general. It's like sales, kind of. And marketing. Figuring out what gets eyes to your thing. You know, like, let's look at my channel, for example. All these videos are just marketing, right? I'm the guy that you go to get more views, to sell your product more, to make yourself more money. And the way I advertise my service is just by making videos. Each one of these videos is just simply marketing. And this is all free. I mean, sure, like, I paid like an editor for some of my videos, but it's like, what, $100, $120? Boom! This is just free marketing. 193k views. Okay. 5k views. Okay. 3k views. That's still 3,000 people. If you think about 3,000 people in a room, which I talked about in an earlier post, it's a lot of people, okay? So, get good at marketing. YouTube is marketing. It's a marketing engine. So marketing is like the best fucking skill that you can have. You can have like the shittiest product. Most products are pretty terrible, right? If you think about it. A lot of people get a product and then don't buy it again. Churn's high. But if you're really good at marketing, dude, you can make money. But obviously you want to get a really good product and all that. But I'm just saying, like, marketing it's just a really high value skill that it's never going to go out of style, in my opinion. Maybe one day with AI, who knows. But this is exactly what I would do if I was in your situation. So get a job, get better skills, continuously learn, and remember that nothing is deserved, only earned. Think about the thousands of boxers and athletes and anyone, bro. Anyone you can think of, if they put hundreds of hours in the wrong thing and they're bad, they're still going to get paid low. If they're good, they're going to get paid a lot. That's all you need to know. Hopefully this helps, man. Let me know, guys, if I'm just bullshitting, or let me know if this actually helps. And it's just kind of talking about the same thing, but nailing it down. So hopefully it helps. And Phil, best of luck. Thank you for writing this post, because I think it's really important. All right, see you guys soon.